Hey guys, it's me Derek, of course, and we're doing another video. Last one was about the applesauce, slinging sauce, football applesauce. We're not here to do that. Those were a little small, a little weak, and of course, it's October. You know what that means, right? Hunting season, Oktoberfest. Oh yeah, it's also Halloween, so pumpkin season. And I'm not talking about sitting here carving jack-o'-lanterns and making apple pie or anything like that. We're going to show you how to make pumpkin pie using our slingshot. A lot of you are saying, man, that sounds like a really bad idea. And my cameraman's sitting there shaking his head and nodding his head, and yep, guess what? He's not the one shooting it. I am. So you know what? Fuck it. Let's go.
Load it in.
Oh, almost dropped the pumpkin.
You don't do that.
First shot. Let's go.
And it rolled out into the woods. We can always run out and get it.
Yeah. Still recording?
Yep.
Oh, first shot was kind of a fail. That's why we got two of them. See, if the second one actually makes it out a little further, I wanted to hit the tree.
The other one we took the stem off. This
Yeah.
one still got some of the stem on it there.
Yep, a little bit.
Like,
Bottom of it.
smack it out of your hands and
All
break
right.
it.
Shot number two.
Ready, aim, fire.
Well, first one was kind of a fail. Didn't quite make it. But you know what? We have another pumpkin. I hope this one makes it this time.
You can fire. Ooh,
Yes!
that was a nice one.
Well, fortunately, we saved the other one. I want pumpkin pie.
Then go get it.
And I don't think the first one was really big enough. So, let's try round number two. Ready? Aim.
Fire.
Well, number two didn't make it again. At least we got one pumpkin out of the deal. What do you expect? Well, at least we can always grow the other ones. Hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, it's almost time for Halloween. And we figured we do some batting practice with a pumpkin. Let's see how it goes. Ready, Mickey? Yep. Alright. Batter up. Score!
One half.
Yeah, you're not gonna hit that again. Look at it.
We're not.
It's destroyed.
No.
Oh, I'd say that was a smash.
Gosh.
Ready?
Go for it.
Alright, come on.
Okay. Strike one.
Woo!
Told ya.
Throw what?
Wah. Whenever
It's
you
raining
want.
pumpkins. Well, pieces anyway. You know what? That was fun. Well, finally got to shoot some pumpkins for October, for Halloween, and for fun. As you can see, this is what the pumpkin looked like before we shot it, completely whole. And this is what it looked like after we shot it. You can see the seeds, guts, all that stuff. Half of it's missing. All because it ran into a tree with a sudden stop. Well, at least we'll have more pumpkins next year. I hope we get some more. This is gonna be bad. Don't try this at home. Ready, Mick?
Yeah, don't try this at home, kid.
He's gonna get knocked out. Ready, Mick? let's go. Whoops, that was a little high, I think. Let's try that again. Take two. Ready, Mickey?
Yeah. Oh! I hit it.
It's a tree. Alright.
Sounds good to me.
That. Yeah.
Yeah, it was nothing.
I'm gonna laugh when it gets knocked out.
Yeah,
Ready?
that's why you don't do it at home.
Alright. Ready? That was pretty cool. 2 trees in one shot.
Actually, 3.
Oh, 3, yeah. 1. Coming right for you, Mick. I'm kidding. Okay. Alright, last take. Yeah, totally not happening.
Wait, you got this.
Really?
Yeah, no.
Really?
Totally not hitting it.
Yeah, nobody.
What are your thoughts on that one?
That is 3 times faster than a pitch, and normally people pitch at about 98 miles an hour. So yeah, it's going as fast as you can think. Not happening.